Hello students, this is the next topic named medication history interview of the subject pharmacy practice. So this topic is generally used for the interview the patient in terms of any allergy, adverse reaction or any type of drug interactions. So that is a very important thing, that is a medication history interview. If interview is not taken or interview is problematic, what will happen? The drugs given by the doctor that may produce the allergy and severe conditions to the patient. So that's why this interview is very important, that which type of surgery you have done before or which type of drugs which can produce the allergy to the patient. So that is very important in terms of medication history interview. Then definition is given as a medication history is a detail means full information, accurate, no without any chances of doubt, and complete account of all prescribed and non-prescribed medications. Prescribed means the patient doctor has been given the medication, that is known as prescribed, and non-prescribed means without prescription the patient has been taken over the counter of the, that is also known as a self medication. So that we should be asked by the doctor or pharmacist to the patient that a patient had taken or is currently taking or he previously has been taken or nowadays currently he is being going through this type of medicine prior to the initially institutionalized or ambulatory care. Institutionalized means admitted to the patient, so that type of the history interview. Or ambulatory care means the patient can be moving as his own without any support. This type of the patient is the ambulatory care. So this type of that is definition for the medication history interview, how full information should be there. Then next point, it provides the valuable insights into the patient's allergic conditions. Means patient have the allergy of what medicine or any food material. So many patient has the allergy of dust is there, cold water or cheese or any type of medicine like diclofenac or aspirin. This medicine have the allergy to the patient, so that should be checked by the doctor or pharmacist. That should be asked during the interview, that is patient's allergic tendencies, adherence to the pharmacological and non-pharmacological treatments. Pharmacological and non-pharmacological just for the like herbal tea or any type of medicine, like non-pharmacological, they does not have any type of significant type of pharmacological actions or treatment, they does not have it. Significant means was they does not have the only 10% or any minimum type of the action has been taken onto the body, that is known as a non-pharmacological, that is very non-significant treatment is there, there is no significance during the treatment. And self-medication with the complementary and alternative medicines. Self-medication means as his own, like if you have the some fever, the patient is taken directly paracetamol or nimesulides, so that type of the medicine is taken, then known as self-medication. With complementary means just for the sake of the your patient's uh, in information or just for only patient's satisfaction, complementary. And alternative medicine means the medicine is comes under the category of ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani, Chinese, Siddha, Tibetan, and Japanese. This type of the medicines are comes under the category of alternative medicines. So this medicine also can be if taken by the patient, so that also be given the information to the doctor and pharmacist, that is known as alternative type of medicines. And or allopathic medicine, the modern medicine, and symptomatic treatment medicine is there. Interviewing a patient, collecting the data, medical history is called medication history interview. This type of data collection of what? Medical history, that is known as a medication history interview. Interview should be there. Then what is the importance of accurate drug history? So that is a very importance. So how it is comes under importance part one by one. That is preventing prescription errors and consequent risks to the patients. Preventing prescription error means what? If the doctor knows about the allergies or any type of certain medicine of the patient, so doctor should not write this type of allergic medicine. So that is known as a preventing the prescription errors, and that will be consequently risk to the patient. Means patient cannot have the risk of this type of the allergic medicines. Second point, useful in detecting drug related pathology. Drug related pathology means when you take the drug, some changes are formed during the body. For example, heavy drugs are there, heavy proteinous drug are very difficult to metabolize, like rifampicin is there, or cancer TB drugs are there. Everyone cannot digest this type of medicine. They are very heavy medicine, so that medicine can also be damage the certain part of your liver. So that also be changed. So if these changes are happen to the patient, so patient doctor can change the medicine or doses can be modified. So this is also important. That is known as detecting drug related pathology or changes in clinical signs. Clinical signs symptoms are changes during the treatment of the patient, and that may be result of drug therapy. So that also be known by the doctor. That is first point is preventing prescription, that is importance of accurate drug history. Second point is detecting drug related pathology, and third point is it should encompass means enclosed all type of uh, medicines or drugs currently and recently prescribed drugs, previous adverse drug reactions. Previous adverse drug reactions means ADR, that already we studied in the previous chapter. When you have taken the drug, this adverse drug reaction can be there, side effects can be produced to the body. So for example, if you are taking the antihistaminic drugs, they can produce the sedative effect to the patient. So this type of drug should not strictly not taken by the drivers, because drivers always should be alert to the onto the road. So this type of medicine should not be prescribed to the drivers. So that should be known as the previous drug adverse drug reaction or side effects, including herbal or alternative medicines. Herbal means you have taken the like the Ayurvedic medicines are there, herbal medicines, or alternative medicine, that is already know about the alternative medicine. That should also encompass during the importance of accurate drug history. Drug history should known by the doctor of the patient about everything that medicine has been taken by the patient, and any chances of producing the allergies, pathology, and ADR reactions, and adherence to therapy for better plan. Adherence to therapy means different type of therapy is there. Course is there, course of 1 month, 2 month. So that should be used for the better plan or better medicine to the patient. So this is the known as the importance of accurate drug history is important. Goals, what should be achieved during the interview. So that interview is very important, and one so many parts are there. One part is known as a when patient giving the information about his health to the doctor, the doctor should not interrupt to the patient, and he should listen all type of his conditions of the patient. The goal of medication history is in interview is to obtain information on aspect of drug use, how many drugs you are already taken, or currently which drugs you have taken. So that is known as obtain drug information or aspect of drug use, that may assist in all over the all care of patient. So that will be very important in terms of prescribing the drugs, which is considered to the prescription errors. The information collected can be utilized means useful, should be there into the compare medication profile. Medication profile means which medication has been taken, that is what the profile, with the medication administration record, and investigate the discrepancies. Medication administration record should be checked of the patient, and all type of the investigation should be given. Is investigation in terms of blood report, any type of the checking should be there, that is should be compared with the old record here and your new record, that is one of the discrepancies. Then verify the medication history taken by other staffs and provide additional information where appropriate. Other staff means, for example, attendant is there into the hospital, or any sister or staff nurse is there into the hospital. They also will taken the interview, and the doctor can also be asked the once again short questions which the doctor may have the doubt. So that should also the known as a verification of medical history interview. So that is the additional information can be asked by the doctor wherever appropriate or suitable is there. That is the goal. So goal is that obtain the information of drug using by the patient or can be prescribed by the doctor. That is the goal is there. Then the following information is commonly recorded. Recorded means this type of the questions can be asked to the patient. One, currently or recently prescribed medicines. Currently, which type of medicine the patient has taken, or recently which type of medicine has been prescribed by the any other doctors. Is there any benefit or any harmful effects, or what are the ADR or any type of side effects are there? This should be asked. OTC medicine, over the counter medication, means patient or self medication. Patient has been taken the self, if you have the any some knowledge of the disease and the drug, the so many patients have taken the OTC drugs, but that may be sometime harmful because doctor so many drugs are prescribed by the only 1 week or 15 days. After that, doctor has been changed the medication. But if the patient knows about this type of medicine, the patient can take the medicine this type for 1 month, 2 months. So that will be very harmful to the your organs like your liver and kidney. So maximum time you should not take the self medication. You always ask to the doctor and then only take the medicine which is under the prescription. OTC is strictly prohibited. Vaccination, due to vaccination some type of the side effects may be found to the patient, like fever for the 2-3 days, pain into the hand where the arm where the vaccination is given. So that may be cover under the your activity of patient medication interview. Then description of reactions and allergies to medicine. Different types of reactions and allergy that should be asked by the doctors. Then medicine found to be ineffective. Which type of medicine can be ineffective to the patient? That is, if the patient is taking the medicine but the disease is not cured 100% or significant changes are not there. So this type also, this time is also very important, that is ineffective or responding by the patient is very low, that is known as. Then adherence to the past treatment and the use of adherence aids. That is adherence means which are which type of past treatment has been taken, which type of diseases or which type of surgery you have undergone. That should be also important. And use of adherence aids. Adherence aids means which type of the aids or supporting material is used. So that is you known of the adherence aids are there supporting. So this is the end of the one part, that is from the medication patient medication interview.